Ever puzzled over the secret to a radiant, glowing complexion? Could it be hiding in your kitchen pantry? Now, we're diving into the world of homemade beauty treatments with a quick and easy recipe for a honey and oatmeal face mask. Taking on the challenge of making and presenting basic DIY mask and scrub recipes is an empowering and natural approach to skincare and hair care. With readily available materials, these DIY formulations not only address individual skin needs but also make self-care a pleasurable, hands-on experience. These recipes, ranging from a calming blend of honey and oatmeal to banana and coconut oil hair treatments, highlight the beauty of simplicity in skincare regimes. Join the adventure of making these nutritious formulations at home and transform your skincare regimen into a personalized and pleasant ritual. Oatmeal leaves the skin soft and hydrated. Oats are not a fatty material. With its milky texture, it is ideal for combination to oily skin, mattifying it. Oats are advised for the most vulnerable skin, youngsters, as well as mature skin, which has decreased collagen formation. First, pull out 2 tablespoons of honey from your pantry. Now, add in 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Oats are known for their soothing properties and they can leave your skin feeling soft and well hydrated. Now, it's time to mix these 2 ingredients together in a bowl. Stir them until they form a paste. This is your mask, ready to work its magic. Next, apply this mixture to your face, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. The soothing oats and antioxidant-rich honey will start to nourish your skin as soon as you apply it. Now, sit back and relax. Leave this mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to close your eyes and enjoy a few moments of peaceful relaxation. When time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water. As you do this, gently massage your face in circular motions. This will help to exfoliate your skin, leaving it feeling fresh and rejuvenated. To summarize, this honey and oatmeal face mask is an easy, natural way to boost your skin's health. It hydrates, exfoliates, and nourishes, leaving your skin glowing and radiant. And the best part? It's all made with ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So why wait? Give your skin the treat it deserves today. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like our content, don't forget to press the like button, share the video on your networks and with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any remarks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.